Hi, y'all, it's me. I have some news I'd like to share with you. I was recently contacted by LG and Mary Fran. They are the owners of NITWIT Collections, which is a digital kit website. They have been in business for approximately 17 years. It started with Mary Fran, and then her husband joined her later in the business. So I was asked if I would like to be a part of their design team, which I agreed to. And I am super excited because if you follow me for a while, you know that I've really been into digital kits lately. So this is kind of like a perfect fit for me at this time. And they have a lot of beautiful, beautiful collections there. So I will link everything down below for you that I can. The website to Knitwit Collections, the link to their YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Whatever I can, I will link it down below for you so you can check them out. You're definitely going to want to. If you go to their website, you will be able to sign up for a newsletter that will get you 20% off your first purchase. So that's a nice savings there. And then today there is a very new release that came out, which is called Knitwitivity, and this is the collection here. Now this one is not a full digital collection. This is what's called a knickknack, and a knickknack is a 3D layered paper element pack that you can get. And this has, for example, when you print it out, you get the different layers that you cut out and then you layer them one on top of the other to give depth and dimension to this project. So in other words, the angel will layer, the star, the nativity scenes will layer, and then you have a choice of a printed sentiment here or blank. There's two options and then a blank. So that is this, and if you'd like this entire collection, right now it's available for 30% off up until October 14th, and you can have the entire digital collection, which includes ephemera and paper and elements, all different kinds of things. So you definitely want to check that out. I know that they have a search box on the website. It's very specific to their website. So if you're looking for examples, say baby, you type in baby and you'll get the baby collections. And there's different varieties of packages, deals like knickknack, full kits, etc. that you can get. And by clicking on the left side of their website, you can find out what all these different options are. I had in the past purchased a collection called 0704 before I even was asked to be on the design team, and I had created this using the 0704 collection. It is so cute, and it was so much fun playing with the different elements in the collection, the papers and all the other elements that you get. I also had something else that I made, but I gave it away, so I don't have it any longer to share with you. But this is just the type of thing. Look at, even the flowers were elements that I cut out and just laid them on there, and they look so realistic. So you definitely want to check out Knitwit Collections website. And be sure to follow me along in this journey. I was away this weekend, so I didn't have a chance to play with this new collection that's out, but I did want to share it with you today since it's the first day of its release and to tell you about the full kit. But in the future, I will have projects that I've created using Knitwit Collections kits, and I hope you will stay tuned to that, and I look forward to sharing them with you. And I also hope that you will check out their website and see if there's something there that might intrigue you. Digitals have been such a fun way for me to play lately. I like the fact that they don't take up a lot of space, in fact none at all, because they're on your computer. And I love the freedom that you have to use the elements in the kits the way that you want to. You can, pick one paper for one front side of the paper that you're printing, and you can also print something different on the back, but you have the freedom of choice. And that's what digital collections have done for me, what I've discovered that I love so much. And especially for those of you who enter swaps and where you need multiples of something, it's nice to have a digital collection, because if you need 7 pieces of that particular paper, you get to print 7 pieces of that paper. So it's definitely a new thing for all of us in this crafty world of ours to play with. I mean, digitals have been around forever, but I think they're just coming into our crafty world with many of us crafters. So you definitely want to check that out. I thank LG and Mary Fran for inviting me to be on the design team, and we have some great designers on our team. I will be sure to try and list their channels in the future for you so that you can check them out as well, because there are some just beautiful projects that they've created. So thank you so very much for watching and sharing this information with me. I am so excited and can't wait to get started with NITWIT collections. So until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.